3 over 7 minus 1/3 plus 4 over 42 equals. To solve this question, we need to find common denominators between all three of these fractions. Let's start by just isolating these two fractions first. 3 over 7 minus 1 over 3. In this case, I know that 7 and 3 do not have a lot of common factors between one another, so the easiest thing to do is just to multiply them by each other. So we would multiply the first fraction by 3 over 3, and then we would multiply the second fraction by 7 over 7 to find our common denominators. So now this problem would turn into 3 times 3 is 9 over 21, and then 1 times 7 is 7 over 21. Or excuse me, they're being subtracted. So now we can subtract. 9 minus 7 would give us 2. The denominators would stay the same. And now we can move on to the second part of the problem. 2 over 21 plus 4 over 42. Now just by looking, I know that if I were to multiply 21 by 2, I would get 42 because 2 times 1 is 2 and 2 times 2 is 4. So if I multiply the top and the bottom by 2, I should have more common denominators to work with. 2 times 2 is 4 on top. 2 times 21 is 42 plus 4 over 42. Now we can add, now that we have common denominators, 4 plus 4 is 8 over 42. Now we just have to simplify to find our correct answer. We need to factor out the greatest common factor. Let's start by dividing them both by 2. 8 divided by 2 is 4, and 42 divided by 2 is 21. 4 cannot go into 21. There are no more common factors. The only factors of 4 at this point are 1, 4, and 2. And none of these three numbers can go into 21. So that is in its simplest form, making B our correct answer.